Hi there, this video is a continuation to the previous one. And what I want to do is talk a little bit more about utilizing your intros and your outros for mixing in and out between tracks. Now, especially if you're mixing most genres of electronic music, it's likely that your tracks are going to start with a long drum intro, normally in the range of 16 bars, which is 2 phrases, to 4 phrases long, 32 bars. So what you should be doing ideally is utilizing those intros to help you mix in your tracks. So the intro generally only has drums going on, and sometimes it slowly builds up and the producers add one element at a time. So the bass might come in, a melody might come in, but it starts with very little going on. This means that if you were to beat match and bring in your incoming track during that intro, it's going to sound a lot better than if you were to bring in your incoming track during another part of the track which has a lot more going on. Now, by the same token, the outros of your tracks are going to be similar to your intros in the sense that the producers will slowly be taking elements away until there's very little left, usually just a kick drum, a hi-hat and a snare drum. So a little bit of a drum rhythm to help you mix out of the track. So ideally, for now, whilst you can mix out of a drop, like I showed you in the previous video, if you want to keep it simple, you can also mix out during the outros. So what I'm going to do is give you a quick demonstration of mixing out of this track during the outro and coming into this track during the intro. Remember, both the outro on this track and the intro of this track are 4 phrases long. Alright, so I've placed a memory cue where the beginning of the outro is to just let me know that is the moment I need to press play on my incoming track. And I'm just going to rewind the track back a little bit by a few bars to give me a little bit of a lead up time. Of course, in the normal situation, I wouldn't have to rewind it because the track would be playing from beginning to end. There we go. I'll start it from there. Let's go. So we've got the memory cue coming up. That is my start point for my incoming track. And I need to set my memory cues. And 1, 2, now I'm going to beat match. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And start turning up the track. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And I've now brought in my new track. 5, 6. I'm going to turn this one down just a little. 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we're fully into our new track. And that's how it's done, utilizing the outro to help me mix in my new track. Again, while keeping the structure correct. So the end of the outro is when the intro on my new track ends. Now, of course, like I showed you before, please go ahead and set memory cues to help you identify how many phrases your intro is and how many phrases the outro is. That will really help you out. So go ahead and practice this, and I'll see you in the next video.